so much of frenzy about it on internet. So I thought it is actually important that I come on Insta Live and talk about the Lion Gate portal to all of you. There are so many DMs that I receive regarding law of attraction, manifestation. That's Sagrika, what is your opinion about law of attraction? So we will discuss not only about the Lion Gate portal, which is 808, but we shall also talk about the law of attraction, because this is something that I really wanted to address. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So I'm sitting with my Saturn gong, and at this moment right now, we are in the Saturn Hora. That is, the Saturn frequency is closest to the planet at this moment. ये हिंदू वैदिक पंचांग के अकॉर्डिंग मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि इस समय सैटर्न हो रहा है इंडिया में स्पेशली, एंड इस समय उत्तर फाल्गुनी नामक नक्षत्र में हमारा मून है. द मून इज इन उत्तर फाल्गुनी, एंड all of this is actually creating an environment where you and me, we are vibrating high. So what is about 808? 808, is it just a number, or is it really a secret portal to somewhere that you and me have to go? I have been watching Instagram stories where people are saying that there is some quantum leap, there is some portal which is opening up, there is a gate which is opening up, and as if वो गाड़ी निकल जाएगी अगर आपने 808 को वो इम्पोर्टेंस ना दी जो इंटरनेट दे रहा है. बट इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है, इस बारे में ज़रा हम बात करें. Is any particular number special than any other number? क्या कृष्णा की बनाई इस दुनिया में कुछ उनका फेवरेट है और कुछ उनका लीस्ट फेवरेट है? क्या कुछ ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कोई दरवाज़ा खुलता हो जिसमें कुछ लोग जा सकते हैं और कुछ लोग नहीं जा सकते? क्या आपको कृष्णा ने कम और मुझे कृष्णा ने ज़्यादा बनाया है? मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है that it is not about 808. It is how you feel about 808. The magic is not outside of you. The magic is who you are. I'm sorry for being a dampener. I'm sorry for breaking the myth. I'm sorry for breaking the business. But the truth is, every frequency, every number is special. There is nothing extraordinary if you don't give it an extraordinary intention. Everything around you is equally powerful. But yes, there are few days where the frequency of the planet is higher in general. So because of that frequency, what happens is that अगर आप अपने अंदर कोई बदलाव लाना चाहते हैं तो सारा planet आपकी मदद कर रहा होता है. The frequency around you is helpful during a certain time. So that is how 808 is important. There is no magical opening, but yes, the frequency right now is certainly higher, or you can say it is conducive. But जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा, जादू बाहर नहीं है, जादू आप खुद हैं. So don't look for magic in the numbers. Don't look for magic in a formula. Look for the magic that is hidden inside you. Look for that blockage inside you, which is actually the portal, the gate from where you will travel, where you have to reach. That portal is not opening outside somewhere. That portal is actually letting go of the limiting beliefs, letting go of the limited idea of this reality. Manifestation is not difficult, but manifestation is the most impossible task, if you ask me. Being in this Maya field, आप और मैं अलग क्यों हैं? क्योंकि आपके और मेरे डर अलग हैं, आपके और मेरे कारण अलग हैं. अगर आपके और मेरे डर एक जैसे हो जाएंगे तो हम एक जैसे हो जाएंगे. On a lighter note, when two people fall in love, you know, they actually fall into their own traumas. They are actually nurturing each other's limited ideas of the reality. And that is how people fall in love. For you to rise in love, you need to nurture each other's higher self. So to fall in love with your own self, what you need to do, you need to understand that you are magic, that you are the potential you are seeking in a portal. कोई क्वांटम लीप, कोई क्वांटम जंप नहीं हो रही. यहाँ कोई एलियन शिप नहीं आ रहा जिसमें आप और मैं बैठकर अपनी रियलिटी को बदल देंगे. There is nobody coming from outside to save you or me. It is you and it is me who is responsible for our own reality. The only thing that you need to do is to cleanse yourself, is to clean your vibration. It is to let go of the ideas that is suffocating you. It is to let go of the limited beliefs about this reality. It is to let go of the fears that are holding you back. अक्सर हम एक बहुत छोटे से डब्बे में बैठकर दुनिया को देख रहे होते हैं, मगर जिसने ये दुनिया बनाई है वो हमारा इंतज़ार कर रहा होता है कि किस दिन हम इस छोटे से डब्बे को, जो कि हमारा इल्यूजन है, जो कि हमारा भ्रम है, उसको तोड़कर उसकी बनाई इस असीम रियलिटी को एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे. This is what Krishna did when he showed his Virat Roop to Arjuna in the mentions of Bhagavad Gita. वो विराट रूप जो कृष्णा ने अर्जुन को दिखाया, that is this unlimited reality. So when you let go of the ideas that you have been trained about, that you have been told about, and when you let go of the fears, when you let go of the judgments, when you let go of अगर ये हो गया तो, when you let go of that idea, that is when life starts showing up in its Virat Roop in front of you. And that is what the portal is all about. So unless you understand the portal, how can you take a quantum leap? जितने मर्जी कागज पे इन्फिनिटी लूप्स बना लो, जितने मर्जी इंटेंशंस लिख लो, जितने मर्जी 888 का चैंट कर लो, मगर अगर आपको यही नहीं पता कि what is that is stopping you from taking that leap any day of the week, any day of the month, any day of the year, you will not be able to make use of this beautiful energy on the planet today. So I, as your friend, I really want you to understand that what it is that is holding you back, what it is that is actually not letting you experience that magic every day after day. The magic is you, my friend. The magic is not in any number, and there is no portal, no ship coming to rescue us. The only ship that you need to be on is soul ship, the ship of your own soul. That is the ship that you need to be on. You need to understand that you are unlimited, you're limitless. अपने ऊपर ये खुद के बनाए हुए बंदिश, आलस्य के, मोह के, लालच के, इन सब को छोड़ोगे जिस दिन, उस दिन जिस दिन तुम आज़ाद हो जाओगे, खुद को आज़ाद कर दोगे, उस दिन तुम्हें समझ आएगा कि the portal was always you. There is no portal outside of you. The portal is inside of you. So go inside, travel within, rather than seeking or searching a quick fix. तो इंटरनेट, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, ये सब क्रिएटर्स मिलकर आज आपको एक आधा झूठ बेच रहे हैं. Don't buy into any fear. Likewise, don't buy into any smart marketing. If you have to buy anything at all, then buy some nice yoga mats and buy yourself some time. So do something which is fruitful to make you more disciplined. Do something which makes you a better human being. Do something which makes someone's life better. And that is the time you will feel that you have taken that quantum leap that you were looking for. Your higher self is nothing else but only a better version of who you are today. So your higher self is waiting for you to up your game, get better, physically, mentally, spiritually, holistically. Yes, it is always a right time to act. It is only when you decide to act that is the right time. So 808 का ये जो ड्रामा हम लोग आज इंस्टाग्राम पे खेल रहे हैं, सुंदर सा इसको हमने एक नाम दिया है. जैसे हीरे मोती वो जो पत्थर हैं उनको भी हमने सुंदर से नाम दिए हैं. तो इन नामों में ना फंस के, इन लेबल्स में ना फंस के जीवन की सच्चाई को समझिए, अपने आप को जानिए, अपने आप को समझिए. क्या मैनिफेस्टेशन कर्मों की जंजीरों को तोड़ सकती है? सो विथ हियर आई वुड लाइक टू पॉइंट आउट कि कर्म क्या है, कर्मा क्या है. कर्मा इज डार्कनेस. कर्म जिन्होंने हमें जकड़ा हुआ है ना, वो जो जंजीरें हैं वो इग्नोरेंस है. अंधकार किस चीज़ का है? अंधकार लैक ऑफ नॉलेज का है. जैसे जैसे हम अपने जीवन में प्रोग्रेस करते हैं, सच्चाई को जानते हैं, वैसे वैसे कर्म की जंजीरें ढीली होने लगती हैं, वैसे वैसे हमारा जीवन इम्प्रूव होने लगता है. सो मैनिफेस्टेशन इज एक्चुअली letting go of your own fears and limitations. Manifestation is, in the true sense, surrendering to the idea of what life is. Rather than chasing a dream, you start living that dream. There is a difference. जब आप सपने को जीने लगते हैं, सपने के पीछे नहीं भागते, आप सपने को जीने लगते हैं. तो क्या होता है जब आप सपने को जीने लगते हैं? आप उस सपने को जीने के लिए जैसा इंसान होना चाहिए वो बन जाते हैं. फॉर इंस्टेंस, इफ टुमारो you want to become a billionaire and you want to manifest a lot of money and a lot of success, what is that you need to do? Do you need to write it on paper that I want a lot of money or I have become a billionaire? Like people are correcting each other's affirmations, no? Ki I have become a billionaire. But my friend, only writing it on the paper will not help anything. That is how people say that the law of attraction has failed. The manifestations don't work because they don't want to work. They want a quick fix formula. But actually what you need to do is you have to live like your dream. You have to live like that person who has that dream coming true in this moment. आपको उस इंसान की तरह जीना है जिसका वो सपना सच हो चुका है. अगर आपके पास बहुत से पैसे हैं तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप वो आज करना शुरू करिए. जब आप वो करना शुरू करेंगे, आप ऑटोमेटिकली अपने सबकॉन्शियस को वो डायरेक्शन देंगे जिसके लिए वो एक्शंस करेगा और वो सपना आपकी इस रियलिटी में सच हो जाएगा. ये हमारे अंदर का डर है, हमारे अंदर का लिमिटेड बिलीफ है कि हम वो सपना नहीं जी पाते. हम सोचते हैं कि ये हो जाएगा ना तो वो सपना सच होगा, ये हो जाएगा तो शायद तब मैं उस ड्रीम को आज जी पाऊंगा या जी पाऊंगी. मगर अगर आप आज से ही वैसे जीने लगेंगे, आपकी एलिवेटेड इमोशंस आपकी रियलिटी को धीरे धीरे बदल देती हैं. It is magic. That is magic. That is manifestation. Manifestation is not writing on a sheet of paper that I have become that, or I have that partner that I want. No, no, no. You have to become that person who has that partner. Try and understand. It is a difference. Like many of the people here, they come and ask me that how can we attract a spiritual partner? How can we have that love of our life? My dear friend, you need to become that person who has that partner. And then that partner will definitely be part of your life, because that partner is also seeking what you are seeking. As Rumi has said, what you are seeking is seeking you. So you have to become that person who is seeking what you are seeking. It's very easy to understand, but at the same time very difficult to apply. Why? Because this Maya field has a curtain of procrastination, lust, moh, lalach on all of us, because of which we are not able to become our best versions, the best person that we can possibly be. We only desire, but we don't act. So that is the difference. When you start acting and not only desire, then the magic happens. Yes, mirror is a reflection of who we are. So when you actually start reflecting your own dreams, when you start reflecting your own idea of your life, that is what your life then becomes. You can dream all day to be healthy. You can all day write on the piece of paper that I am at this weight, I have actually become this person, etc., etc. But till the time you take the relevant action, till the time you actually become the person who is living that dream, how will that dream become a reality? I fail to understand that how you all are not able to break into that quantum leap that you're seeking through a portal. My dear friends, don't buy into this false marketing. Buy only into the truth that you are a soul, and the soul is here to evolve, and the only way to evolve is to become the truth that you are seeking. Yes, Nilesh, nobody used to talk about these portals. It is just the internet, just the algorithm which works well. And we all want shortcuts. We all want instant gratification. तो किसी ने कहा कि 808 पोर्टल में जाइए, आपको एक क्वांटम लीप का मौका मिलेगा. तो हम सब सोच रहे हैं कि 8:08 पे कुछ ऐसा होगा that we all will be jumping into some alien ship and going to a new reality. But tell me, if it was that easy, then why are we here in this Maya field? Thank you, everybody. Thank you for acknowledging my blasting the lies on internet. But I felt so called to talk about it. So I had written 808 only to tell you that हर नंबर स्पेशल है, हर नंबर की अपनी एक वाइब्रेशन है. 808 कोई ऐसा मैजिकल एलियन स्पेसशिप नहीं लाएगा जिसमें आप और मैं बैठ के अपनी रियलिटी बदल पाएंगे. To change your reality, you have to change yourself. The only way to change your reality is to change yourself. But sadly, we all don't want to work on who we are, and we are seeking for answers outside. So, how can that happen? We are the magic that we are seeking outside. The magic is within us because we have the capacity to change ourselves. We have the potential to be disciplined. So, experience the magic by changing yourself rather than seeking magic outside. That is a lazy person's attitude. That is someone who's cheating life. So live life truly. जिंदगी से वफादारी निभाइए. जिंदगी का कोई चीट कोड नहीं है, कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, कोई ऐसा रास्ता नहीं है जो आपको आपसे मिला देगा. आप ही को अपनी तरफ कदम बढ़ाने होंगे. आप ही को अपने आप को चुनना होगा. तभी आप अपने आप से मिल पाएंगे मेरे दोस्त. There is no other way. कागज़ पे जितने मर्जी इन्फिनिटी लूप्स बना लो, कागज़ पे जितनी मर्जी बार 888 लिख लो, कुछ नहीं होगा. This beautiful gong behind me, the Saturn gong, it takes out a vibration when I strike it. So I have to strike it to take out that vibration. I cannot just sit by it and expect it to do the magic. So to make the vibration out of this instrument of body that you have to strike it. So strike your mind with discipline. Control your mind with sustained action. How will you not experience the reality that you want? I cannot believe it. Because I know the day you take charge of your own self, that is the day when life will take charge of you. So the only thing that you need to do is to control your mind. I like that you wanted bread rolls, so you got them made, and no portal delivered it to me. Yes, there is no magic which can deliver you your higher self. You have to clean your own instrument every day after day, and one day when you have actually washed this, you will experience something magical, something new, something which you did not know earlier, just because you worked on yourself. I'm glad you all loved it. Now, as I promised that you will experience magic today, I want to play the gong for some time for everybody who's watching, because today, nevertheless, we are sitting in Shani Hora. The Saturn vibrations are closest to the planet at this time. And of course, this is the year of Shani. We are in 2024. And today is the 8th of August. So nevertheless, the frequency of Saturn is the closest. And the only lesson that the frequency of Saturn is here to deliver is to be disciplined, is to have sustained effort towards your goals. It is to be detached with the goals, with the results of your actions. As I have said in an earlier live on Shani Jayanti, कि शनि आपको यहाँ कष्ट देने नहीं आए हैं. शनि यहाँ आपको डिसिप्लिन और डिटैचमेंट सिखाने आए हैं. अनुशासन और निर्मोही होना केवल शनि का काम है. और शनि आपको यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं करने आए. तो शनि से डरिए मत. ना ही कोई मैजिक अपने किसी पोर्टल में ढूंढिए. People who are just joining in, I just want to repeat it for all of you. Please don't seek any quantum leap happening outside of you. The quantum leap is happening inside. When you take the dubki inside, when you understand your own vices, when you understand your own limitations, when you understand your own reasons, when you understand your own fears, that is when the quantum leap happens. जब आप shadow work करते हैं, जब आप अपनी ही परछाई को देखते हैं, जब आप अपनी परछाई और अपनी रोशनी को एक करते हैं, उस दिन क्वांटम लीप होती है. उस दिन जिस दिन आप कंप्लीटली अपने आप को नो दाई सेल्फ करते हैं, उस दिन क्वांटम लीप होती है. क्वांटम लीप होने के लिए कोई डेट या कोई मुहूर्त नहीं चाहिए. जिस दिन आपने डिसाइड कर लिया that no lies from today at this moment, that is the day when the quantum leap for you is available. So if you choose that day to be today, it will happen today. If you choose that day to be tomorrow, it will happen tomorrow. It's just that you have to decide that from today and this moment, no lies in my life. I will not lie to myself. That is the day when you will become one, or I would rather say, come closer to becoming one with your higher self. And उस दिन मेरे दोस्त, आपकी रियलिटी वो होगी जो आप चाहेंगे, क्योंकि जो रियलिटी होगी वही आप चाहेंगे. So, इसके अंदर एक सीक्रेट मैंने भी छोड़ा है, जो कि मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम डिस्कस करूँगी आप सबके साथ. ठीक है? So before I close the live, I want to play the gong for a minute. You all can close your eyes or just enjoy the experience of me playing the gong. while you're listening to the vibrations of the Saturn gong, focus on something most important that you need to change. Focus on something that is the biggest rope around your neck. Also identify, is that rope your own, or you identify that rope coming from outside? I want you to witness that जो भी रस्सी आपके गले में है, चाहे आप उसके ऊपर नाम किसी और का लिखना चाहते हैं, मगर कहीं ना कहीं वो रस्सी आपकी खुद की है. Identify your own contribution in your problem, because it is time that you let go of the victimhood. And I want you to visualize that slowly you're letting go of that rope around your neck, which is suffocating you in this reality, which is holding you back, and you're not able to experience the full joy which is available to you in each and every moment. And I pray that each one of us experiences the magic sooner than later. हिंदी में कहूँ तो मैं आप सबके लिए प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि हम सब वो जादू एक्सपीरियंस कर सकें जिसके लिए परमात्मा ने हमको इस दुनिया पर भेजा है. क्योंकि आत्मा और परमात्मा के बीच का ब्रिज केवल एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग का है, केवल एक समझदारी का है. और वो समझदारी क्या है? वो समझदारी ये है कि आप अपने रास्ते में मत आइए, रास्ते पर आइए. Don't come in your way, but come on the way. You're welcome, Biljot. Thank you, each one of you. And stay happy. Feel blessed. Because life is very short. And we are here for a very limited time. Love fully. Laugh fully. Live fully. Lots of love. Love and light. Good night, everybody.